In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to silence or lower the volume in part of an audio in CapCut. Whether you're ducking background music under a voiceover, cutting out a cough, or censoring a word, the method is the same and takes just a minute. Start by opening CapCut and heading into your project. If you're starting fresh, create a new one and make sure the timeline is visible at the bottom so you can see the waveform of your sound. The timeline is where we'll make precise edits. Next, add your audio. You can import a music track or a recorded voice clip and drag it onto the timeline. Or, if your audio is attached to a video, simply bring that video in so its audio shows up as a separate lane. For accuracy, zoom in on the timeline so the waveform is easier to read. This makes it simpler to find the exact moment you want to quiet down. Now isolate the portion you want to change by splitting around it. Move the playhead to the very start of the unwanted sound and click Split. Move to the end of that sound and click Split again. You should now have a small, separate audio segment in the middle. Play the area once to confirm you captured the right boundaries. If it's a breath or a consonant, nudging the split slightly can make the result sound more natural. With that middle piece selected, lower the audio spectrum. That's CapCut's volume control for the segment. In the panel on the right, reduce the volume slider. Drag it all the way down to 0 if you need complete silence, or lower it to taste if you're just ducking the level beneath narration. Aim for a reduction that keeps dialogue clear while still letting the music feel present. Often a drop of more than half works well. Listen back and fine-tune the volume until it fits. If you hear a click at the cut points, add a tiny fade on the short segment to smooth the transition, just a fraction of a second in and out. When everything sounds seamless, play the entire section again, check that the waveform looks consistent, and save your project so you don't lose your changes. That's it. Open CapCut, add your audio, split the exact section you want to affect, and lower the audio spectrum for that piece. You now have precise control over any moment in your track.